In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ASUS Vivobook Wi-Fi not working. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you multiple different solutions to fix any issues attributed to Wi-Fi not working on your Vivobook, regardless of the model. So first, for basic checks, make sure that there isn't a specific function button to trigger Wi-Fi. Usually, this will be the case with older models, but newer ones won't have to worry about this. Sometimes on the function keys, there will be a dedicated button to enable or disable Wi-Fi. So if you notice that there is a specific one with the Wi-Fi symbol crossed over or something along those lines, press Fn plus that respective function button to enable or disable Wi-Fi, and then see if it works. If you notice that your specific model, like this one that I'm showing on the screen, doesn't have the Wi-Fi button, then you don't have to worry about this, but take a quick look just in case. Next, on your actual laptop screen, make sure that you see the Wi-Fi option here. If you don't see the Wi-Fi option, then proceed on to the next solution, but if you notice that it is available here, just not connected, then click on it, make sure that it is enabled, and then try again. You can also choose the option from this list at the bottom to restart your network. So just choose the option to reset and see if it works. Now, like I said before, if you don't even see this option at all, then this usually means that you don't have the necessary drivers to use Wi-Fi. So you can do two things to fix this. First, I would recommend right-clicking the Windows icon, going over to the Device Manager, and inside you will be able to find network adapters. In here, you can try uninstalling all of them and then choosing this option at the top to scan for hardware changes, and usually Windows will automatically reacquire all of them. If you aren't comfortable uninstalling them, that's okay. What you can do instead is go over to the ASUS Download Center, and in here you can look for your specific model of Vivobook. So look for Vivobook and then find your specific model. Of course, I'm assuming that you will be able to download this from another place without using Wi-Fi and then transfer the drivers over, or alternatively, you can use an Ethernet cable for the time being, just so you can download these drivers. You will need to download these drivers onto the actual Vivobook, so keep that in mind. Use an Ethernet cable for the time being, or download them elsewhere and transfer them over using a USB stick, for example. Once you find your specific model, you will be redirected to this page, and under Driver and Utility, you will be able to find the specific Wi-Fi driver, in this case the MediaTek WLAN driver. So download this driver, install it on the Vivobook, and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then you will have to contact the customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS Vivobook Wi-Fi not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.